Good morning, class 2 children. Let us start social study chapter 6, water. Last day I read out half of the chapter. Today let me complete. See, water, importance of water. Without water we cannot live. No one can live without water. And we need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing our clothes, put out fire and growing plants. Other works also are there. Some sources of water, rain is the main sources of water, and we can get water from ponds, lakes, streams, river, seas, oceans also, river, lake, puddles, etc. And drinking water, well, hand pumps are common in villages, and in cities tanks are there, huge tanks are there where water is stored. And drinking water, pure drinking water is called potable water. Drinking water should be stored in closed container. Now saving water. Water is precious, so we should not waste it. Close taps after using them. Do not let the tap run while you brush your teeth. Get leaking taps repaired. Do not waste water while bathing. Store rainwater in tanks, drums, buckets, jugs and bottles to use later. That means rainwater stored here, tank, drum, bottle, bucket, jug. Now diseases which spread through unclean water are called waterborne diseases. Keeping water clean. There are many human activities which make the water dirty and unfit for drinking. Dirty water can cause diseases like typhoid, jaundice, cholera. And activities means, dirty activities means this one, where they impure the water. Now look at the picture and write how water is being made dirty. See, bathing, animals in the water. Then garbage. Due to garbage, water polluted here. Now here washing. Clothes are washing on the river or pond and make it polluted. We can keep water clean in many ways. Do not allow drain water to flow into river. Drain water, if it goes to the river, there are fish and other sea creatures. River are many creatures are there. They will suffer. And from river we get the water. In the water refinery, from there we get water. It is coming from river. Do not bath or wash clothes in a source of water such as pond or river, which we are seeing here. Do not defecate near water bodies. Never throw garbage and leftovers in the source of water, which here we are seeing the picture. Educate people about the importance of clean water. Generally, you tell everybody that do not pollute any water, which is very needed to us, and for that give the education to the people. Just tell everybody, don't make dirty the water. Why should we save water? Do you know that less than 1% of all the water on the earth is used by people? Only 1%. The rest of salt water, the kind you find in the ocean, that means 2/3 ocean, 1/3 land, or it is permanently frozen and we can't drink it or use it to wash clothes or water plants. As our population grows, more and more people use this limited resource. Therefore, it is important that we use the available water wisely and not waste it. Now short. All living beings need water to survive. We should always drink clean and pure water. Water is used for many purposes, namely drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, growing plants, etc. Rain is the main source of water. We get water from lakes, rivers, streams, wells, etc. It is important to save water because it is limited on earth. Thank you.